Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm Muhammad Shahbaz Islamabad. So I'm showing to a Genius to a PC speaker, three-piece speaker system. This one is a model sw-2.1 360 UK, made in well nice packaging, very large and big box. Let me show you the full area. This side there is a 10 watt. I think this one is 10 and 10 watt 3.5 jack PC Mac computer base, and there's a model, some information. This side there is the same model, Genius logo, and there is a detail. Fine. This side is give a demo how to fix your computer location. But there is some serial and detail. I'm sure slow to all look, so you're not anxious. Last side, very heavy box. Look, there's a speaker and three-piece. This one is the buffer, baseful, and bottom. Nothing inside. There's a detail. Fine. So now I'm open to a box. Yeah. Fine. One, two, three, go. Yeah. First time I open my box. Fine. Cool. Focus. Some serial. Okay. First give a guide. How to attach. Fine. Cool. Next speaker. Stay there. This one is the main buffer. Power and brick. Same one hand this time used. Very heavy roof and nothing. No. Some side of the box. No, and there. Okay. Show the first before. Very peaceful, I think. Look, there is a high bass before. Okay. Nice. Orange view. Okay. So nothing. This one is a Genius set. There's a bass volume. So I'm showing you. Very simple shape. There's some noise. This side. Very simple. Back side. So power button. So, made in China. There is a speak out system will connect your mic. And this one is a cable attached to a speaker. This one switch. Some extra cable. Okay, fine. Stay there. And there's a speaker. Very small speaker. This one is a DMA speaker. Very nice. Same this one. More. Some I'm on one, so some already kept two on one hand, so some thought not good early version. So sorry, because but thanks to I play my video. Fine speaker. Yeah. This one is a view. Look, see what happened. Okay, wait. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah. Very cool. Look. Thanks to this video. Should more video. Inshallah. Allah Hafiz.